Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And if you are watching my video for the first time as technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification bell, and whenever so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And also, you need to practice this subject. This is a practical subject for you to be good at it. For you to solve any problem that has to do with technical drawing that may come your way, you need to practice it very, very well. What we want to do here right now has to do with machine drawing, and this is the problem that we want to solve, that is titled Spigot, and we have the questions that we want to solve here on this page here. So here we have the spigot. This detail is shown pictorially on page 192, and we have to draw the following views with hidden detail in third angle projection. We have to draw the orthographic views in third angle projection. We have to draw the front elevation looking direction of the arrow, and also we have to project a plan from the front elevation and the end view positioned on the right of the front elevation. So those are the things that we have to do. And let's go back to the diagram. So this is diagram, and this is the arrow that is being referred, that the question is referring to, or the instruction is referring to. So we are looking at the subject in this direction. We want to produce the front elevation. So what I'm going to do here is that dimensions are somehow large, so I'm going to draw half size of this, So for this part that we have here, as we are looking at in this direction, distance from here to here is 64 millimeters, and the thickness from here to here is 32 millimeters. And for this cylindrical part that we have here, the thickness from here to here is 12 millimeters, and diameter is 66 millimeters. The thickness of this rectangular part is 12 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 88. I'm just talking about the ones that we need, or dimensions that we need for the front elevation. So those are things I'm going to make use of right now. And also distance from here to here, from this end to the center of this circle, is 88 millimeters, and the diameter of this big circle is 50 millimeters. While for the drill it is 12 millimeters, and also for the counter bore, so the diameter is 32 millimeters and it is 3 millimeters deep, though we are not going to make use of that in the front elevation. So we only need to draw this. This is going to give me a rectangle, and this is also going to give me a rectangle. This is already a rectangle. Then we are going to create this part with these circles shown on the front elevation. As I said, that I'm going to draw only I'm going to divide every dimension with by 2, so that we draw half size of this. Though in the instruction they said the full size should be drawn, but here, because of the size, so I'm going to draw half size of it. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So I draw a horizontal line here like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a vertical line. So I'll draw a vertical line like this. Then I will come here. Okay, I'll come here. I will draw a center line. So I need to draw a center line here. Tell you the reason why I'm drawing the center line. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is to take the distances on this horizontal or center line. So the one I said, it is 64, so I'm going to use 32. If I divide 64 by 2, that's 32. So this is going to give me a rectangle from here to here, to be a rectangle, and this also give me a rectangle. This will give me a rectangle. So let's see how we are going to do this. So by the time I divide 64 by 2, that will give me 32. So I'll just take a measurement of 32 on this center line. So this is 32 millimeters. Then for the cylindrical part, that the thickness is 12. So 12 by 2, that will give me 6. So I'll just take a measurement of 6 millimeters. And also for the rectangular part, so whose thickness is 25, the thickness of this part is 25 millimeters. So 25 by 2, that is 12.5. So I'll take a measurement of 12.5 millimeters. 12.5 millimeters here. So this is 12.5. Okay. So having gotten that, so then the total distance from this end here to the center of this circle is 180. So that would be 90 millimeters if I divide that by 2. So I'll just take a measurement of 90 millimeters now. So this is 90 millimeters. Okay, so now on each of this line that or this point that I've taken on the line, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I'm going to make this one will be a center line for the circles. So here, so I will draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. All right, so those are the horizontal distances. The next thing that I'm going to do is to take the vertical distances. So now for this, so the thickness from here to here is 32. 32 by 2, that will be 16. And the thickness, the diameter of this cylindrical part is 66. So 66 by 2, that's 33. And then the distance from here to here is 88. 88 by 2, that is 44. So I first of all take those distances. So I first of all take 16. So 16 by 2, that is 8 millimeters. So because I'm taking 8 millimeters up, 8 millimeters down, so that is 16 millimeters. So I will take 8 millimeters down here, and I will take 8 millimeters of that 16. Also, from this center, I'm going to take a measurement of 33. I will divide 33 by 2. So 33 by 2, that is 16.5. So I will take 16.5. So 16.5. So this is 16.5. So then that will be, so the total will be 33. So this is 33 millimeters here now. So next is for the rectangular part. So 44 by 2, that is 22. So I will take 22. So from the center line, 22 millimeters down, 22 millimeters up, that is 44. So then I'm going to draw. So I will draw. So from here to here, and also from here to here. That is for the rectangular part. So, and I will also, I don't want the lines to be too many, so I will just be focusing on the part that I need. So okay, then I will also draw this from here to here, from here to, don't forget that we are working on machine drawing. We have to take time to work things out. So next thing I'm going to do here, first of all, let me finish this part at once. So I will draw this vertical line. I'll make this a thick line, and this also. So this will be a thick line. So from here to here, and this will be a thick line. So from here to here, and this will also be a thick line. So from here to here. Okay, so as I said that what we are going to see is a rectangle on that part. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay. All right, so we have brought out this part. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw the circles. That's the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to draw the circles as we have here. So for the big circle, diameter is what? Which is tied to boss. So the diameter is 50 millimeters. So I'm going to divide 50 by 2. That's 25. 25 by 2. That will give us 11. That will give us 12.5. That's 12.5. So I'll take 12.5 millimeters on my ruler. So 12.5 millimeters on my ruler. 12.5 millimeters. So that's 12.5. So I'll put at the center here and I will draw a circle. So I've drawn the first circle. So the next circle is this one that we have here. So this that follows the big circle. So the diameter is which is for the counterbore. So the diameter is 32. So 32 by 2, that's 16. 16 by 2, that will give us 8. So I will take a measurement of 8 millimeters on my ruler. 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters. I put at the center here and I will draw a circle. Okay, so this is completed. So for the inner hole, so which is the small one, so we have the diameter to be 12. So 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 by 2, that will give us 3. All right, so I've drawn the 3 circles. As you can see here, I've drawn the 3 circles. So let me bring the diagram. So as we have here, so we have drawn this part, so which is going to give us a rectangle. So that's what we have here. We have the rectangle here, and for this cylindrical part, it also gives us a rectangle, as you can see here. Then we also have this part that also gives us a rectangle. Then we have drawn these circles, as you can see here. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we have this part. So this part, so this cylindrical or this circular part, they are joined with this part. So what I'm just going to do is to join them direct. So as we have here, so I'm going to draw a line. So I'll draw a line from here. So I join this together like this. Okay, and this will also be joined. Together like this. So that's what we have here. So this gives us the front elevation of the object. So as simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you surely master it. Let's meet on the construction of the plan. Thank you for watching. There's something I forgot to do here, and that is this hole that we have here. So when we are looking at this object in this direction, it's going to be hidden from us. So I need to put it here in the front elevation. So we are told that distance from here to here, so distance from this end to the center of the hole is 26 millimeters. So I will divide 26 by 2, and that will give us 13 millimeters. I'm going to take a measurement of 13 millimeters. So from the end here, so this is 13 millimeters. So I'm going to for the hole that we have here, we are told that diameter is 12 millimeters. Diameter is 12 millimeters. So if I divide 12 by 2, that is 6. So 6 by 2, that will be 3 millimeters. So I'm going to take 3 millimeters to the left of this center line that I have here, that I've marked. So this is 3 millimeters here on this side, and also I have 3 millimeters on this side. So we need to show it, and it's going to be hidden. So first of all, I will draw the center. So I will draw the center line like this. Okay, so that's center line. So then I will draw the hidden part of the circle. So here we have, so we show dashes line. Okay, so now also draw this. We show dashes line. All right, so that's it. So this is how it should look as the front elevation. This is the complete front elevation. Thank you, and God bless you.